Hello students, I hope all of you are fine in your homes and feeling well. I'm here to discuss you about the important topic that is the fiber to fabric. Here we know about the journey, how these fabric are made. I will brief you something by example about the word fabric. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. For example, in summer season, we wear cotton clothes. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer season? Because they keep us cool and protect us from that hot scorching weather. And in winters, we wear the woolen clothes. Woolen clothes basically protect us from the cold weather. So, so these are basically two different types of clothes. How these are made? This cotton, woolen, the shiny clothes. What are these? These all are the materials that is known as the fabrics. Now come on to the topic that is the fiber. Fiber is basically what? What do you mean by this word fiber? Fiber are the long continuous threads or the long structure. We will discuss here about the word fiber. What do you mean by this word fiber? Fiber are the basically long continuous threads like structures that from which the fabrics are made. Fabric, as we discussed previously, that is the cotton, silk, woolen, etc. There are basically two types of fiber. First is your plant fiber and second is your animal fiber. Both these comes under the category of the natural fibers and the other category is your synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are the man-made fibers about which we will study in our higher classes. Main topic of the class here is your animal fiber. Animal fiber are the fiber that we are derived from the animals. That are derived basically from the animals. Animals such as sheep, yak, goat, etc. That give us wool. Wool and silk are basically two most important types of the animal fibers. Wool. Now we discuss about the animals. Wool. Wool is one of the most important animal fiber. We get wool from the sheep, yak, goat, etc. There are basically different animals such as sheep and there are basically different breeds of sheep from which we get different types of wool. For example, first one of this is yak wool basically. Yak wool we get from the yak wool is one of the wool that we get from the yak found in the hilly areas, found in the basically Tibet and Ladakh. And goat wool. Second is basically the Angora goat wool. Angora wool. Angora wool is one of the wool from which we get from the Angora goat. That is found in mainly hilly areas of the Jammu and Kashmir. Third one is Pashmina shawl. Pashmina shawl is one of the shawl that you might also have seen your mother wearing that types of shiny shawls, that beautifully embroidered shawls that are made from the material Pashmina. Pashmina is the material type of wool that you get from the Kashmiri goat. And another type is basically that we get from the llama and alpaca that are found in South America. Next, these are all of different types and varieties of the sheep breed. After Pashmina shawl, we come to the fur of camels basically. These are the basically the underfur of the camels is also provide us with a wool that is used to make different materials. Last one is llama and alpaca breed that is found in Southern America. So these all are the different breeds of the sheep that are found in the different parts of our country from which we get different types of wool. Now we come to our next topic that is rearing of the sheep and how we get wool from them. Rearing of sheep. What do you know about this rearing? Rearing means how we take care of our sheep basically. How we take care of our sheep and what are they fed on? For example, sheep are basically found in the hilly areas of the Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, etc. and in different parts of our country. And there are basically in summers they are fed with the different fodder Like they are fed with the jute, corn, oil cakes, etc. They are kept inside houses, the shelters in the winters, and then they are fed with the dry fodders in the winters so that they will keep us warm. They will keep warm. Once they are fed properly, then their hair grows. In rearing, as I have told you already, we have discussed about the what type of material by which the sheep are fed. Sheep are fed in winters with the dry grass, fodder, etc. In this way, we kept our sheep for some time in winters and summers both. They are fed. Then after this process, when they developed a hard fur coat, then we come to the processing of wool. So this is what we have discussed today, is the small part of your journey from the fiber to fabric. In next class we will discuss about how we get the wool from the sheep, the fur basically. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So far, we have covered up to the rearing of the sheep, how they are fed, what type of food they eat. And in our next class, we will discuss about the remaining journey of our fiber to fabric. If you all have any queries, then please feel free to contact me through your email, and any questions you can put up in the comment section or contact me at my number, etc. Thank you. Bye bye.